Emelie. In this video I will create 3 ornaments using a couple of different dies from Trinity, and I started off by using the cut and foil big snowflake die set. This comes with all of the 4 pieces you can see on screen, and I started off by hot foiling in silver on top of this blue cardstock, this beautiful snowflake. Then I cut it out of the second layer out of some mirror silver cardstock to tie in with hot foiling that we did, and then a background for this. I also used Trinity's glue body here, and then I adhered it on top of a blue snowflake for the largest part as well. You will see it here in a second. And I will be creating 2 of these and then sandwiching a string between them so that we have an ornament that you can have hanging in your tree, or you can also use these as tags to send to a friend or in a like basket or something like that. I think would be really cute. But you can see here I just tied a silver string with some tape to the inside, and then I use some really strong double-sided adhesive to the inside here, just gluing a little bit more, and then we have our really cute ornament here. I also tied a little bow at the top. I will actually end up removing that, and I wanted some Christmas red ornaments as well, so for this I didn't use the hot foiling. I just cut that same layer out of some silver mirror cardstock, and the second layer out of some red cardstock, and I skipped the entire like last layer, so this will be more see-through. I think that was fun, and I struggled a little bit about adhering my string to this one, but I think it ended up being good when I used adhesive around it at the end here. So you will see how it looks when it's all tied together. So this was a lot of fun to create, and I think these would be nice to mass produce. But I had an idea in my mind after talking to the other design team members about using the polar bear pear, and I had used that in a previous video. I can link it up here in the corner, and I know the design team have used it in many different ways, but I wanted to use this as an ornament, or an like more of a piece that would be a center piece. So I took some copy paper and strips of strips of solid cord paper and gold glitter paper, and then I cut it one I cut the opposite way. I hope that makes sense. The back layer here, so they weren't mirrored, or actually they turned out to be mirrored, that is what I want to say. And I used a string between them, and you can see that crisscross pattern. That is a cover plate also from Trinity. By the way, all of the products that I used in this video will be linked down below, and I just think this was a fun and happy card to have, or sorry, not a card, fun and happy ornament to have in your tree, and I think it would be an adorable tag as well. And I love the weight of this. It really turned out nicely when you layer them up a couple of times like this. And I decided to give him a black scarf here, just so he wouldn't freeze. And I also will use the large ornament shaker. That's a newer product from Trinity. And with that one, I will create like... I will only use the topper to it, so it looks more finished. And I really love how that looks. And I'm sorry if you can hear something in the background. My family is home and my kids are trying to get some sleep. So here it is. I just have this in the pocket, and I cut them out of some gold mirror cardstock this time. And I will adhere one to one side and one to the other side. And by the way, the nose and the eye are separate dies that comes in the polar bear pear die set. And the smaller bear in the set would also make a cute like ornament, I think, but I didn't use it for this project. So there we go, we have 3 different takes on ornaments, and I know that the design team will be back with more inspiration on creating ornaments this week, and I hope you find this video interesting and inspiring. And until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye!